Hey everybody, y'all, this is Tammy, and I'm in the middle of a project that I've been recording, but for some reason it didn't take. And I'm going to upload a little here and a little there, but the floor I'm doing is actually paper bags, glue, and water, which I thought I made this up, but other people are doing it too. It looks really bad right now, as you see down to the bare wood. I pulled up the laminate floor. It was a mess, and I'm working on this now. I know it looks tacky, but it's going to turn out beautiful. I promise you. I wish I didn't accidentally delete all the preparations to this earlier. Anyways, here's my wall that I did in papers. I actually, put I got paper copies of photos of my kids and put them on the wall. And, you just polyurethane after you're done with the glue and water. I'm going to upload this now, and I will be uploading more as it progresses. So, bye for now.